Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-add ng polynomials. Let's add x squared plus 12x plus 8 and 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Kung i-rewrite natin to, so ganito ang itsura niya. X squared minus 12x plus 8, close and open parenthesis yan, plus, close and open parenthesis ulit, 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Ayan. So, ang gagawin lang natin, pagsamahin natin yung magkapareho yung exponent and yung pareho yung variable. Kasi dito ano yung magkasama? Yung x squared at 2x squared. So, that is x squared plus 2x squared. And then, plus yung 12x saka 3x. Negative 12x plus 3x. And then, yung walang variable na dalawa, yung 8 saka 2. So, it is 8 plus negative 2. Okay. So, what is x squared plus 2x squared? So, ang gagawin lang natin, pag-addin lang natin yung coefficient nila. So, itong x squared, meron niyang 1. Kahit hindi natin nakikita, meron niyang 1. So, what is 1 plus 2? Of course, that is 3. So, yan ay magiging 3x squared. Copy lang natin yung variable and yung exponent. Then, ito, negative 12x plus 3x. So, negative 12 plus 3 or 12 minus 3, that is 9. And copy natin yung sign ng mas malaki. So, yung negative. So, that is negative 9x. Okay, then 8 plus negative 2. Or yan ay magiging 8 minus 2. And that is 6. And copy natin yung sign ng mas malaki, which is yung 8. And that is positive. So, positive 6. Okay, so yun na yung sagot. Meron din tayong other way para i-solve yan. I-solve lang natin, i-write natin. So, x squared minus 12x plus 8. Then, itapat natin yung kapareho yung variable at yung exponent. So, that is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So, pag-addin lang natin. Okay, so, x squared plus 2x squared, that is 1 plus 2, and that is 3. So, 3x squared. Negative 12 plus 3, that is negative 9. So, 9x. Then, 8 minus 2, that is 6. So, plus 6. So, ganun din yung makukuha nating sagot. Next example, add 23x cubed plus 12x squared plus 9 and 2x cubed plus 5x minus 4. So, kahit anong way ang gamitin nyo, pwede rin. Pero gagamitin na lang natin yung second way. So, that is 23x cubed plus 12x squared, then plus 9. Yung pangalawa, that is 2x cubed, then plus 5x. Napapansin nyo, yung una is 12x squared. Then ito, 5x, walang square. So, that is plus 5x. So, wala siyang katapat. Then, minus 4. Okay, so add natin. 23 plus 2 is 25. Then, copy natin yung x squared or x cubed. Then, bring down na lang natin yung 12x squared kasi walang katapat. Pati na rin yung 5x. 5x. Then, 9 plus negative 4 or 9 minus 4, that is 5. So, that is positive 5. So, yun na yung sagot. Next, add 3x squared minus x plus 8 and x squared minus 2 and x plus 2. So, tatlo na yung pag-addin natin. So, mas madaling gamitin yung pangalawang way. So, that is 3x squared minus x plus 8. Then, x squared. So, dito, tapat natin dito. Minus 2. Then, x plus 2. So, x plus 2. Okay. So, let's just add. So, 3x squared plus x squared. That is 4x squared. Then, negative x plus x. So, 0 na yun. So, wala na yan. So, 0. Kahit di natin ilagay. Then, 8 minus 2. That is 6 plus 2. That is 8. So, balik sa 8. So, that is 8. Okay, so that is 4x squared plus 8. Or, kung gagamitin naman natin yung isang way, so, pagsamahin lang natin yung magkaparehas. So, that is 3x squared plus x squared plus yung x, negative x plus x. And then, 8 minus 2 plus 2. So, that is 4x squared. Yan, 3x squared plus x squared, that is 4x squared. Then, negative x plus x, so 0. And 8 minus 2 plus 2, that is 8. So, plus 8. So, ganun lang din. Next example, add 5x squared plus 2x cubed minus 9x to the 4th power minus 6x. And x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus x and 3x to the 4th power minus x squared minus 20x. Let's add. Ang suggestion ko para mabilis, pagsamahin na natin yung magkakaparehas. Ano yung magkakaparehas? So, 9x raised to 4, x raised to 4, and 3x raised to 4. Hanapin lang natin yung magkakapareho yung exponent. Okay, so add natin. Negative 9x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 4. Lagyan natin ng close and open parenthesis. Plus, next yung cube, yung may cube. So, 2x cube, 3x cube. So, that is 2x cube plus 3x cube. The next, yung may squared. 5x squared and x squared. Negative x squared. So, that is 5x squared minus x squared. And then, what's next? Yung walang exponent. So, negative 6x, negative x, tapos negative 20x. So, plus negative 6x minus x minus 20x. Okay, so, 9 na natin to. Negative 9x to the 4th plus x to the 4th plus 3x to the 4th. So, negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8. Plus 3, that is negative 5. So, that is equal to negative 5x to the 4th power. And then, 2x cubed plus 3x cubed, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. So, that is positive 5x cubed. Next, 5x squared minus x squared. So, 5 minus 1, that is 4. And that is positive. So, plus 4x squared. Then, negative 6x minus x, that is negative 7x. Minus 20x, negative 27x. So, parang pag-addin mo lang sila, and then yung sign is negative. So, it is negative 27x. So, that's it. Pwede natin gamitin yung isang way para isolve ito. Pero i-arrange natin siya mula sa pinakamataas na exponent hanggang sa pinakamababa. So, dito, pinakamataas is yung 4. That is negative 9x to the 4th power. Then susunod is yung 3 plus 2x cubed. And then yung square plus 5x squared. And then yung walang exponent or yung 1, that is negative 6x. Okay? Then next ito. So x raised to 4, so tapat lang natin x raised to 4. And 3x cubed, so dito, plus 3x cubed. And then negative x, so dito siya tatapat. Dito siya nakatapat. Negative x. And then 3x raised to 4, so dito. Minus x squared, so dito siya. Minus 20x. Yan, so ganyan. Negative 9 plus 1, that is negative 8. And negative 8 plus 3, that is negative 5. So it's negative 5, then copy natin yung x raised to 4. 2 plus 3, that is 5. So it is plus 5. Then copy natin yung x cubed. 5x squared plus negative x squared, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So plus 4x squared. Then, negative 6x plus negative x, that is negative 7. Plus negative 20, so that is negative 27. Then, copy yung x. So, pareho din. Next example, 2x squared y to the 5th and 5x squared y to the 5th. So, kapag ganyan, pag-addin lang natin na 2x squared y to the 5th plus 5x squared y to the 5th. And that is equal to 2 plus 5, that is 7. And then copy lang natin x squared y to the 5th. Next example, so add natin to. So medyo mahaba-haba na ito. So gawin lang natin yung isang way. So 4a cubed b. 2, so it is positive 2a square b square plus a minus 4ab minus b minus 3. Then, tapat lang natin yung mga kapareho nila. So, ito, 5a square b square. So, nasaan siya nakatapat? Dito. So, dito, 5a square b square. And, susunod is yung ab. So, dito siya. So, positive ab. Lagyan natin ang sign to, positive. And then, next is 2a cube b. So, dito siya. Negative 2a cube b. Next is yung 2a. So, dito siya. Plus 2a. Next, a cube b. So, dito siya. A cube b. Minus ab. So, saan yung ab? Nandito. Minus ab. Then, 3b. So, saan yun? Nandito. Plus 3b. Plus 2. Nandito. So, magkakatapat-tapat na. So, add natin. 4 minus 2 is 2. Plus 1, that is 3. That is 3a cubed b. Then 2 plus 5, that is 7. So, positive 7a square b square. Then 1 plus 2, that is 3. So, that is positive 3a. Then 4, negative 4 plus 1, that is negative 3. Minus 1, that is negative 4. Negative 4a b. Then negative b plus 3, that is positive 2. So, So, positive 2b. Then, negative 3 plus 2, that is negative 1. So, that's it. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.